I say time, you say come. Time. Time.
Somebody please tell the Prime Minister to call the election because the comrades are ready.
Time come for young people. Time come for move Andrew out of power.
Let the people go.
The line stop here. The game done. Time come.
So when them cutting ribbon over hospital with them paint up, we're going to cut hernias. We're going to cut fibroids, cancers.
Don't believe in me. I'm not Jesus. Believe with me that better can come.
With Mark Golding as Prime Minister, the dreams you dream today will be the reality he creates tomorrow.
The people of Jamaica are ready for change. Everywhere I go, I see the wind of change blowing.
Somebody asks me, Perry, why aren't you a labourite? Me ever fresh, me no green.
No one say one blood and comrade victory.
We are going to Jamaica House. We are rescuing Jamaica, and Mark Golding will be the next Prime Minister.
Power, power, power to the people. Power to the people. A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Breaking news, my wisdom warriors. A policeman attached to the lottery scam task force is battling for life in hospital while his spouse and child were shot and killed in a gun attack in Reading, St. James. The incident happened sometime after 9 p.m. TVJ News understands that gunmen ambushed the lawman who was driving his car in the area. The vehicle was shot multiple times. Investigators are currently on the crime scene. My wisdom warriors, I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. My wisdom warriors, I want to listen to Juliet oldness because last night I did tell you know how Juliet promised the people them chickens from 2020, 2021 and now in a 2025 she just remembers that the people them ask her for chicken. My wisdom warriors, take a listen to this.
Today we are distributing chickens for persons who have made requests, some from as far back as 2020, 2021. Very unusual. We bought some chickens, paid for them, and somehow the company got our funds mixed up with monies that they would normally receive from rather parish office. And it has taken a long time for them to resolve it. It is as a result of our continued pressure that we wanted to get exactly what we paid for. We didn't want it to be adjusted based on any inflation. And today we are finally in a place that we have received what we paid for and a little extra. So today everyone will be coming to get their baby chicks along with feed.
So my wisdom warriors, you really hear what Juliet only say a while ago? From 2020, 2021, the people them ask for the chicken. And yeah, tell me say money get mixed up and it take 5 years. 5 years for sort out this? No? My wisdom warriors, may I tell you, just because of election. Just because election is near, this is why she's doing it. Hey, I hope you open up on your eyes, you know. On the same people we are take the chicken. I hope you open up on your eyes. On the sister the Jamaica Labour Party, Andrew Wellness and Juliet Wellness taking off an idiot. Lord Jesus. This need crowd. This need crowd. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this.
After 8 years, we not see no. 8 years, we not see you. 8 years, we not see you. Power! Power!
My wisdom warriors. Wanna see how the people them run them? Where Juliet wellness really a go? Where Juliet wellness really a go? She a dirty Oris Chang. She a nasty face Oris Chang. How where them a go? Hey, big up on yourself. And that I want to know PNP massive. Big up on yourself. And so when you see them a come on, run them. Run them, make them move them blouse and skirt and go. Because when them a thief and them a scrape, they no remember who no. They no remember the ordinary Jamaicans. And they have a little style to, you know, my wisdom warriors. You see the upper class people, you see the top class people, and them the people they no make pay tax, you know. You no can't stay there. And them the people there no pay tax. So don't look upon them when them a come round. Make them know say a power within there. Bright and out of order. The people them not see them for years. And true because election a come, but them a drive round. A go on for go away. Go on for go away. Uno is a wicked set of dopey bat. Uno. My wisdom warriors, trust me, me tired of them. Me I tell you, me tired of them. They no mean Jamaican people good. Them are the worst. Them are the worst thing ever happened to Jamaica. Andrew Wellness and Juliet Wellness is the worst thing that ever happened to Jamaica. Hey, me I tell you, man, sometime, you see, if you no really go and check out Andrew Wellness, take the time to check out Andrew Wellness, you don't take in labor right, you would know say you make the wrong mistake. Me I tell you no. But you can't stay there. You can't stay there. I wonder if you don't remember this. I wonder if you don't remember this.
You have some hypocrite out there.
Yes.
Who looking at us?
Yes.
After you vote us out.
Yes.
I ask you what we are doing. Don't ask me what we doing.
You see how this man is ungrateful, Jamaica? You see how this man is ungrateful? So how we really make the mistake and make this boy come back in a power? Eh? You hear the way I'm deal with the people? Listen to me, man. You see this time? You see, this time, we are going to give him the same thing we make him ball out the last time. Yeah, man. We are going to send him packing. We are going to send him packing, my wisdom warriors. I want to see when Mark Golding win. Mark Golding, let me tell you something, sir. You see, when you win, you see all of Andrew Wellness asset need to freeze. I would love for you to put a law in place. Yeah, man. So we can freeze them thing. Them two out of order. Andrew two out of order and stay bad. Attitude stink. And this a mania a lead Jamaica. I run if you get run well a long time, you know. Run away if you get long time, you know. This man, look at the way I behave. We not even didn't know say I'm a thief from the time there. From 1998, this man is a thief. Hey, this a brother here coming like he start thief before he conceive. Trust me. No, man. Anyway, my people, we're moving on. You all know, say, last night was so powerful. Yeah, man. Last night over Portland, because I don't know, say, them do the bus tour, and the bus tour finish in Portland. My people, over there, turn up till it buck. River come down, bank to bank, Jamaica. River come down. And the dirty king labor right them out here talk about how nobody never turn up. And the crowd, a little bit of crowd. Lie. Lie. You know see? Say every single way Marky G go, appear crowd. Everywhere Marky G go appear crowd. If he just keep a small meeting, crowd. If he keep mass rally, crowd. Like, we are crowded. Like, literally, don't you guys see that? We are overcrowded. We are enormous. Uno no see what uno labor right have to do. Uno no see. Uno have to call gospel concert. And then uno import people in a phone place. And that uno do. Uno think I lie? Take a look at this, Jamaica. Look them people. Look. St. James Central family. Board the bus. Mass rally. August 10. Today. My people, let me tell you something. This is what they do. If you notice, they not keep no parish meeting and them something there because nobody not turn out. Me nah ask no, me I tell you no, nobody not turn out. So what them do now, then keep the gospel concert, and you know say everybody from all over are gonna come. So what they do now, then get them boss, the MP, then get them boss and councillors and just pack it and bring in the people. This is what they do. They not keep no meeting, cause the whole of them meeting daddy. Nobody not turn up Jamaica. So they have a little trick now, you know. I keep gospel concert 1, gospel concert 2, and now them I keep mass rally. A pure imported crowd. Pure imported crowd. On a show on a parish meeting them now. And that on a do. And now no can't show away. Hey, me say hey, we are gonna give on a landslide, yes man. We say we are going to give on a landslide, you see? When we done, we don't know. When we done with Uno. You think a joking thing this? You think a joking thing? You think some want on thief? She come lead, we pick them astray? No way. No way. See when I try to my wisdom warriors, she no want to go to prison. So then gonna interview Kamika Prince. Kamika Prince, where I see no one no more. Because when she fi charge the people them, she not charge the people them. She pick and choose who she want charge. You understand? And if she feel like somebody support the PNP, she make sure that she charge them. But when it come to the Labour Party, she not charge them. So this is why you see them interview her. Because them want she to be the DPP. Because them feel say just like how she never charge Andrew Holness, them feel say she can stop Andrew Holness from go to prison. At that, you know. At that, Jamaica, you have to look deep into this, you know. At the same very reason why him put Dennis Strong to head the FID, because Andrew Holness really try to save himself, you know. And you not see this, he might try to save himself. Why him not sign the code of conduct? Why him not sign the code of conduct, Jamaica? Hey, Labour right enough to wake up, you know, brother. Because the man no respect Jamaican people. He no respect Jamaican people, and he knows that if he sign it, you know, man, him know how it go, you know. So he cannot sign it. Why me I tell you about them? We have to get rid of them. Undecided voters are uno me I talk to. Uno me I talk to. Uno see what is going on. Uno see what is going on. Any decision Andrew Holness make, it affect everybody. Not only PNP and Labour right. It affect undecided voters too. So I want to wake up and I want to go out and put the X next to the head. And that I want every single Jamaican do, my people, because time come for a change. My wisdom warriors, I want to see how over Portland turn up till a buck last night. Take a look at this.
Power! Say power! Power! Selector, drop a tune. Say power!
Jump! I see them lying there wait.
Say power!
Standing on the gate.
Say power!
But yeah, I want my
Say justice! Say justice!
Lord.
Justice!
Murderer.
Justice!
Blood is on your shoulder.
Justice!
Today you cannot kill
Justice!
I want to say rest in peace to Mr. Bloomfeild. Rest in peace, and my condolence goes out to the family. The way how them do this man, the way how they take this man life, the man never deserve it, Jamaica. And we want justice. Justice we want, and justice we have to get. You understand? Because some boy going like say they can walk up and down and take people life just like that. And people not forget justice. And people not forget justice. Huh? And sometimes I get cross. Sometimes I get cross. Listen, Jamaica, trust me. I say them kill the man and tell lie about a man me a lover. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so, Jamaica. It's stinking at the street. You must hear in the street. It's stinking at the street. Not a mere lover. It was all a setup. It was all a setup. You understand? It's stinking at the street. People is talking. People is talking. And when Mark Golden win, I would love for this case to open up back. I would love for it to open up back. You understand? When you're not ready, you want to come out. I want to cut throat. And you want to dash out words when you're not ready. Because you feel so you want to get away with it. You feel so you want to get away with it. But me know say, Me know say you can't sleep at night. Me know that. You can't sleep at night because Duppy a ride don't go and Duppy a ride don't come. But you see the God where we serve, the God where we serve, a him we give vengeance to. A him we give the vengeance to. Because God will forever fight our battle. Remember me telling you that. Maybe 10 years pass and you don't see nothing happen. Maybe 20 years pass and you don't see nothing happen. But let me tell you now, God is not a God of confusion. You don't hear me? You never hear something say, long run, short catch? You never hear something say, long run, short catch Jamaica? And this is me I left it. My wisdom warriors, hear more.
Come.
And if you love Jamaica, say time come. I was not going to speak tonight, but they lay hands on me so I have to say a few words. I noticed while my good friend, former mayor, was speaking, he pointed out that we're having a meeting here tonight and some big signs have gone up. Well, a couple of weeks ago they used to say choose Jamaica. But you can't choose Jamaica unless you can spell Jamaica. We in the PNP can spell Jamaica so we know which Jamaica.
Freedom fighter, comrade, friends, comrades, comrades. Say one Marky G, say one Marky G, say one Marky G, say one integrity, one integrity, one integrity, boss. Easy.
My wisdom warriors, I want to lick a part. Me give you know. In the next video, it now go normal. So my wisdom warriors, I want to share out this video. I want to like it up. I want to subscribe and get me to 40K. Tell a friend about Atta for the press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.
Yeah, yo. All real.